Hello, today we will guide you through how to sell a share or stock on Trading 212 app. Start by opening the Trading 212 app or web platform. Once you're in, look for the pie icon on the main screen. This icon takes you to your investment pies, which are collections of stocks or ETFs grouped together. Tap the pie icon to continue. From your list of pies, choose the one that contains the stock you want to sell. Select your chosen pie to open it. Inside the pie, you'll see different views. Go ahead and open the Holdings section. Holdings shows every position within that pie, along with quantities and current values, making it easy to pick the exact stock you want to act on. Find the stock you wish to sell and tap it to open the detailed view. Here you can see recent performance, your average price, and other helpful information. When you're ready, tap the Sell button. This opens the order ticket for selling. Now enter the amount you want to sell. Depending on your settings and availability, you can usually specify a cash amount or a number of shares, including fractional shares. Take a moment to confirm that the value matches your intention, especially if you're selling only part of your position. If you plan to keep some shares, double-check the quantity so you don't close the entire position by mistake. With your amount set, choose Review Order. This summary screen is important. You'll see the estimated value of the sale, any relevant notes about execution, and the latest market price. Prices can move, so the final execution price may differ slightly from what you see on screen, especially in fast markets. If the market is closed, your order will typically queue and execute when trading resumes. Look everything over carefully. If it all looks good, select Send Sell Order. The app will confirm that your order has been submitted. If the market is open and there's sufficient liquidity, a market sell order usually fills quickly. Once it executes, you should see the proceeds appear as available cash in your account or within that pie. You can review the completed order in your history for full details. That's it. You open Trading 212, navigated to your pie, checked your holdings, selected the stock, entered the amount to sell, reviewed the details, and sent the sell order with confidence. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay any section if you want to take it step by step while you sell.